Looking to grow your wealth through stock market investments in 2024? Join me as we explore some of the top stocks poised for success this year, offering potential for both growth and stability in an ever-changing market landscape. Hey there, investors and market enthusiasts. Are you ready to uncover some of the most promising stocks to consider for your investment portfolio in 2024? Today, we're diving into the world of stocks to identify opportunities that could help you achieve your financial goals. Let's dive in. First up, let's take a closer look at the technology sector, which continues to drive innovation and disrupt industries across the globe. With trends like cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and e-commerce shaping the future, these tech giants are well positioned for growth in 2024 and beyond. Next, let's explore the healthcare sector, which remains a critical area of investment as the world grapples with ongoing health challenges and demographic shifts. With an aging population and increasing demand for healthcare services, these companies are poised to benefit from long-term trends in healthcare spending and innovation. Renewable energy is another promising sector for investors seeking to capitalize on the transition to clean and sustainable energy sources. As governments and businesses worldwide commit to reducing carbon emissions and combating climate change, these companies are at the forefront of the renewable energy revolution. In the consumer goods sector, companies that offer essential products and services are expected to remain resilient and profitable in 2024. With consumers prioritizing convenience, affordability, and quality, these companies are well positioned to thrive in both good times and challenging economic conditions. Finally, let's not overlook the financial sector, where well-managed banks and financial institutions can offer opportunities for growth and income. With interest rates expected to remain low and economic recovery underway, these financial stalwarts are poised to benefit from increased lending activity, consumer spending, and investment opportunities. In conclusion, the top stocks to invest in 2024 offer a diverse range of opportunities for investors to capitalize on key trends and themes shaping the global economy. Whether it's technology, healthcare, renewable energy, consumer goods, or financials, there's no shortage of potential investment opportunities in the stock market. So let's stay informed, stay disciplined, and invest wisely in 2024 and beyond. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of the top stocks to invest in 2024. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more investment insights and market updates. Until next time, happy investing.